Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Finance Academy. So friends, in this particular video, we are going to learn about the Maglev trains. The trains which gives you the maximum speed of 400 to 500 kilometers per hour, which is very massive, which is very used than our conventional trains. These particular trains are levitated on the ground and there is no contact. There are no wheels, just like in the conventional train. So basically, friends, this particular train is completely contactless type of a train, which gives you the maximum speed of 500 to 600 kilometers per hour. Well, in this particular video, we are going to learn its working principle, some of the advantages, disadvantages of this type of a maglev train. So please watch this video till the end. And if you are new over here on my educational channel Genius Academy, kindly subscribe. It will motivate me to make more of such educational videos. So friends, when you think about the maglev trains, its principle is nothing but the magnetic levitation. When we think about the magnets, magnetic levitation, it means one magnet gets suspended on other magnet. There is no direct contact between them in such a way that two magnets having similar poles repels each other. So north pole will repel each other, south pole will repel each other. But what if I put a electromagnet and the other one is the permanent magnet? So in case of the electromagnet, we can turn it on and off as we required. So over here, friends, in this type of in this maglev train, on and off switching is possible just by using the electromagnets. Point number 2, this particular electromagnet, the material which is used is nothing but the superconductor material. In case of superconductor, there is no energy loss, and if there is no energy loss, the current will pass through that particular superconductor very easily, and whenever the current flows through a superconductor or a coil, it produces the magnetic field than that of the conventional electromagnets. So over here, the magnetic flux, magnetic field which gets produced by using this electromagnet, it is very intense, and in order to increase the intensity more, this electromagnets gets cooled down less than the critical temperature. So whenever we cool down the electromagnet less than the critical temperature, its intensity of the magnetic field increases tremendously. So by using this particular principle, a train gets started floating on the track. So over here, levitation becomes possible by using the magnetic flux. Now let's talk about how does this train moves further, okay, in a particular direction. So this is very simple. On the track there are permanent magnets which are placed having different polarity: north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole. So whenever a train gets passes, okay, the train is having a certain electromagnet is having a certain number of poles. So whenever a train gets started, just like what happened in case of motor, rotating magnetic field get occurs. In case of induction motor, over here a linear magnetic field, and just because of this linear magnetic field, the train moves in that particular direction. So it started propelling in that particular direction. So these 2 points have been cleared over here by using this magnetic levitation and the switching. Okay, so train started moving in further direction, and the switching is so extremely fast that it can reach up to the maximum speeds of 500 kilometers per hour. Basically, friends, this train is contactless train. There is no direct contact, there are no wheels. So this is the reason this particular train is able to achieve the maximum speeds of 500 kilometers per hour. And trust me, this could be the futuristic transportation. And trust me, if this maglev trains implemented in India, You can travel from Mumbai to Goa in just 1 hour. The whole of the 588 kilometers distance you can cover in just 1 hour. So this is really amazing thing, friends. So basically, so that was the overall principle of this maglev train. Now let's talk about some of the advantages of the maglev trains. The first advantage is nothing but the speed. Gives you the massive speed of 500 kilometers per hour. It gives you the comfort. The level of comfort is very high as compared to the other conventional trains. There is no jerking. Efficiency. The level of this particular maglev trains uses less energy than that of the conventional trains. So that's why it is one of the highest efficient transportation system. Safety is also another parameter. Like there are no chances of derailing. The conventional trains, they derail very often. There is zero chances of derailing in this particular maglev trains. So if you talk about the some of the disadvantages, initial setup cost, the initial cost of this maglev trains is really very high. The cost of maintenance of this electromagnets, okay, sometimes you need to replace those electromagnets, so that's why the maintenance of the electromagnets is also another issue in this type of the trains. Also, this maglev trains is suitable for limited routes. This particular maglev trains requires the specially designed tracks, which can limit their routes and make them less versatile than that of the conventional trains. So friends, that was the overall advantages and disadvantages of this particular maglev trains. So friends, this particular maglev trains are truly amazing. It can save a lot of time. It will give you the fastest speed, and it is one of the fascinating transportation system available in today's date. So friends, tell me in the comments what you think about this maglev trains. If you like my video, hit like and please do a comment, and please share all of my videos to your friends, family, social networks. So thank you so much friends for watching this educational video. Please do subscribe to Engineers Academy.